The Biodiversity-Based Economy Development Office Public Organization, or BEDO, was founded on July 17, 2007 under the Royal Decree to set up the Biodiversity-Based Economy Development Office Public Organization 2007 in order to fulfill its duty in economic development from biodiversity resource base, together with the sustainable conservation from the community to the national levels. BEDO was established with an important objective reflected in Section 7 of the Royal Decree. Our operation philosophy consists of 3 directives. 1. To maintain resources and a balanced ecosystem between conservation and utilization. 2. Build the good environment to enhance quality of life and sustainable development. 3. Develop value of biodiversity and local knowledge to lay a foundation for economic restructure for sustainable biodiversity-based development. Vision and mission. With bona fide determination of BEDO to improve the lives of people of all levels, BEDO sets its firm mission as follows. BEDO is the main organization in propelling economic development based on sustainable biological resources. Promote and support an increased value in using biodiversity and local wisdom and biological businesses using relevant interdisciplinary strategies and goals. With such determination, BEDO thus has clear strategies and goals in fulfilling its duty in biodiversity-based economy development as follows. Strategy 1. Strengthening communities by developing community capability potentials to improve their efficiency and to use biological resources sustainably. There have been various programs such as a setup of database system to be used by biological-based communities. More than 20 communities have successfully completed the programs. Research development to extend the use of biological resources by collaborating with academic institutions, resulting in diversity of products. Strategy 2. Promotion of biodiversity-based businesses. Support business operations through biodiversity concept. In the past, there have been undertakings to increase capabilities in biological businesses for various types of operations, such as wild animal trades through projects to support business development for wild animals commercial farming. Botanical business participates in sharing knowledge of production from upstream to downstream with marketing plan, including business matchmaking. Far-Side Gallery, an outlet for products that are made from communities' biodiversity resources, helps increase the number of distribution possibilities, raises awareness, and enables consumers to easily access the products. Bioeconomy Promotion Mark is another marketing tool to promote biodiversity-based businesses and sustainability of their resources, as well as to build products' credibility and recognition. Strategy 3. Management of knowledge and improvement of database system. It is a collection of relevant knowledge based on diversity and local wisdom and other important information to serve as an important resource in learning about biodiversity. Promotes the protection of intellectual property, biological resources, and traditional knowledge. There have been a variety of activities, such as a compilation listing of biological resources for the benefits of conservation, protection, and future commercial use. A production of encyclopedia of local wisdom, comprising relevant local knowledge and biodiversity resources for future academic use. The founding of a Bioeconomy Academy for interested people to easily access the desired information is the center for organizing functions and training sessions, the protection of biodiversity resources, and local wisdom preservations. Strategy 4. Participation Stimulation. Involving the public for biodiversity awareness, many activities were conducted, such as integration of communication network and information exchange on biodiversity and local knowledge. Currently, there are more than 46,000 participants registered and over 200,000 items of information on biodiversity resources and tourist attractions, hosting academic seminars, panel discussions, and a national assembly to induce conservation conscious and personal accountability. Strategy 5. Policy Implementation. Together with various mechanisms, BEDO implements the policy to promote and support economy development from biodiversity and local wisdom. Some of the accomplishments were building alliances and collaborating in academic and business with various organizations, both domestic and international, making propositions for wild animal business laws, collect, study, and analyze their legality attributes that are relevant with biodiversity-based economy. All of these have been BEDO's operating plan, aiming to be the main organization in propelling economic development from sustainable biodiversity resources. We hope that our missions will become a part of daily lives and better living for everyone in Thailand, as well as creating full awareness in economic development from biological resources for continuing sustainability and sustainable conservation. BEDO, Biodiversity-Based Economy Development Office, Public Organization.